Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start a timed program Steamcure on a Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to pick the program and it's located right here. Then next thing is to adjust the settings on this panel. So first one that we can adjust, because the actual first option is not available for this mode, is to pick if we want to have the light inside the drying machine enabled or disabled. Then we have the alarm sound that we can activate to notify us if the program is finished. Next is the lower temperature, but I think it's not available. And finally we have the programmable time, and if you click on it, the time right here should increase and you can switch between different options. Now if you want to reset it when you reach, I think, 250 or 240 and go above it, it will reset the timer to 10 minutes. Now when everything is ready, you can click on the start and your program should begin. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.